southwestern Yates County, southern Cayuga County, Chemung County, west central Cortland County, eastern Steuben County, Tompkins County, northwestern Bradford County, and northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kuka Park to Troopsburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour.